Leg cramps are a common and regularly painful trouble for seniors, affecting their capacity to transport freely, and actually, those involuntary muscle contractions normally occur at night or within the course of physical interest and may range from mildly uncomfortable to excruciating. While different factors inclusive of dehydration, terrible waft, and nutrient deficiencies can contribute to leg cramps, they may be particularly well known in older adults, due to adjustments in muscle groups, interest degrees, and ordinary health. Luckily, many leg cramps may be avoided or reduced through clean lifestyle changes, together with dietary changes. Incorporating high-quality culmination right into a senior's each day, ordinary may be a powerful way to enhance muscle corporations and decrease the frequency of cramps. Culmination are rich in critical nutrients, like potassium, magnesium, nutrition, C, and antioxidants, every playing an essential characteristic position in muscle health, hydration, and cramp prevention. On this video, we can find out 6 C's end result, which can be particularly useful for seniors seeking to hold more potent, greater healthful muscles. Through highlighting their particular dietary houses, we're in a position to show how those stop result can help prevent leg cramps and beautify everyday muscle characteristic, ultimately most important to a extra lively and cushy manner of existence for older adult. Before we preserve, in case you're playing this content fabric, please take a moment to love observation and percentage it at the side of your pals. Doing so allows greater humans discover the channel. This video is for informational functions, simplest and need to not be considered scientific recommendation. Always are seeking for advice from a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for custom-designed dietary recommendation. Now, allows dive into 6 fruits that would assist save you leg cramps in seniors for more potent, extra wholesome muscle organizations. Bananas are one of the most well-known end result globally, and for correct motive. They're no longer most effective, scrumptious, and flexible, but they will be additionally packed with nutrients that manual muscle fitness and prevent leg cramps. One of the key vitamins in bananas is potassium, a vital mineral that plays a vital position in muscle feature. Potassium allows regulate muscle contractions and enables the verbal exchange most of the worried device and muscle agencies. This is particularly essential for seniors who may additionally also revel in muscle cramps extra frequently due to a herbal decline in potassium levels with age. At the equal time as potassium degrees drop too low, the muscular tissues might also moreover become greater at risk of spasms, causing painful cramps. By the use of often eating potassium-rich components like bananas, seniors can assist keep right muscle feature and avoid those uncomfortable episodes. In fact, a medium-sized banana includes about 400 to 450 mg of potassium, which payments for approximately 10% of the encouraged each day intake for seniors. Moreover, potassium works in tandem with specific electrolytes like sodium and magnesium to keep fluid balance inside the body. This balance is essential for stopping dehydration, a not unusual trigger of leg cramps. Potassium facilitates to draw water into the cells, making sure that the muscle groups live hydrated and feature properly. Dehydration can cause muscle mass to aggregate abnormally, growing the threat of cramps. Therefore, consuming bananas cannot best top off potassium. However, moreover, guide hydration, making them a super snack desire for seniors, mainly inside the course of the warmer months or after physical hobby. Similarly to potassium, bananas are wealthy in weight loss program B6, each different vital nutrient that promotes muscle health. Vitamins B6 is worried inside the manufacturing of neurotransmitters that alter nerve function and muscle contraction. This weight reduction plan can help reduce the intensity and frequency of cramps by helping the nerves that control muscle action. A deficiency in weight loss plan B6 can exacerbate muscle cramps, especially in seniors. Happily, bananas are a high-quality deliverer of this diet, making them a natural solution for preventing leg cramps and retaining normal muscle characteristic. Oranges are broadly diagnosed for his or her high food plan C content fabric. However, their benefits skip a long way past definitely boosting the immune device. This citrus fruit performs a key characteristic in muscle health. making it an amazing preference for seniors who need to prevent leg cramps. Food regimen C is a powerful antioxidant that allows protect muscle tissues from oxidating of strain because of unfastened radicals. Loose radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and tissues together with muscle fibers. By the use of neutralizing those risky molecules, vitamin C permits reduce infection and muscle pain, which is probably each related to cramping. For seniors, food regimen C is particularly beneficial as it allows the repair and protection of muscle organizations. As we age, our bodies produce a bargain much less collagen, a protein that gives shape and elasticity to muscle groups, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen is essential for muscle flexibility and electricity, and its manufacturing declines with age. Via ingesting healthy eating plan C. RITs, in result like oranges, seniors can stimulate collagen manufacturing, making sure that their muscle groups continue to be robust, flexible, and plenty less vulnerable to cramping. Similarly to its feature in collagen production, vitamin C is critical for the right functioning of blood vessels. Ideal motion is vital for preventing muscle cramps, as it ensures that oxygen and vitamins are correctly brought to muscle tissue. At the same time as flow is terrible, muscle tissue are more likely to revel in fatigue, susceptible point and cramping. Oranges, with their excessive vitamin C content, assist supply a lift to blood vessels, decorate stream and make sure that muscle groups collect the oxygen and nutrients they need to characteristic properly. Oranges also offer a massive amount of water. This is important for retaining right hydration degrees in the body. Dehydration is a high cause of muscle cramps, especially in seniors who may be more susceptible to dehydration due to reduced thirst perception and adjustments in kidney feature. With the aid of retaining the body hydrated, oranges help save you cramps, which could arise from electrolyte imbalances or fluid depletion. Staying hydrated ensures that muscle businesses can settlement and relax easily, reducing the possibility of spasms. Kiwis can be small in period. However, they are whole of a wealth of nutrients which might be tremendously beneficial for muscle health and the prevention of leg cramps in seniors. One of the maximum massive nutrients found in kiwis is magnesium, a mineral that performs a key feature in muscle characteristic. Magnesium allows muscle corporations loosen up and settlement nicely, and it moreover performs a position in maintaining electrolyte balance. This is vital for preventing cramps. Magnesium deficiency is quite common in older adults, due to the fact the body's potential to soak up and keep magnesium decreases with age. Low magnesium levels can cause muscle spasms, cramps, and general muscle vulnerable point, via the usage of which includes magnesium-rich substances like kiwis of their eating regimen. Seniors can make certain that their muscle tissues continue to be snug and a whole lot much less liable to cramping. A single kiwi contains around 30 mg of magnesium, which offers about 8 to about 10% of the each day recommended consumption for seniors. In addition to magnesium, kiwis are wealthy in nutrients C, an antioxidant that facilitates lessen contamination and promotes the healing of muscle organization. Food Plan C additionally allows collagen production. It honestly is critical for retaining the elasticity and energy of muscle groups and connective tissues. As seniors age, collagen manufacturing certainly decreases, making the muscle companies and joints greater at risk of strain and damage. Through eating kiwis regularly, seniors can beautify their eating regimen. Seniors can beautify their eating regimen C consumption and promote collagen synthesis, which lets in save you muscle soreness and cramping. Kiwis also are an incredible supply of fiber, which supports digestive health. Right digestion is critical for muscle feature as it guarantees that the body can take in and utilize critical nutrients efficiently. Constipation and digestive ache can cause stomach anxiety, which may additionally moreover contribute to muscle cramps, especially in the legs. The high fiber content fabric in kiwis lets in prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel actions, lowering the risk of cramps due to digestive problems. Furthermore, kiwi comprise potassium, another mineral. This is vital for preventing leg cramps. Potassium lets in alter fluid stability within the frame and plays a key position in muscle contraction. Like magnesium, Potassium is regularly depleted in seniors that may motive muscle spasms and cramps. The potassium in kiwis permits hold right electrolyte degrees, lowering the hazard of cramps as a result of dehydration or electrolyte imbalances. Watermelon is a easy and hydrating fruit that gives a set of benefits for seniors, mainly close to stopping leg cramps. One of the primary motives watermelon is so effective in reducing muscle cramps is its excessive water content material. About 90% of watermelon is water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits to be had. Dehydration is an amazing cause for muscle cramps, especially in seniors who also can experience decreased thirst sensation and modifications in kidney feature as they age. Through manner of eating watermelon, seniors can live hydrated, supporting to prevent cramps as a result of dehydration. Further to hydration, watermelon includes an amino acid known as citrine, which has been demonstrated to enhance blood flow and decrease muscle pain. Citrine is transformed into some other amino acid arginine within the frame. It definitely is a precursor to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide enables lighten up blood vessels, enhancing circulate and permitting greater oxygen and nutrients to attain the muscle tissue. This expanded blood go with the glide lets in save you muscle fatigue and cramping, mainly after bodily hobby. For seniors who interact in exercise or physical interest, watermelon can be a natural and powerful way to sell muscle healing and reduce the hazard of cramps. Watermelon additionally affords an super deliver of nutrient C, which lets in collagen manufacturing and muscle repair as mentioned in advance. Collagen is important for keeping the integrity and elasticity of muscle groups, tendons, and ligaments. Food Plan C lets in defend muscle groups from oxidative damage and enables the restoration technique after muscle strain or damage. Using which includes watermelon in their weight loss program. Seniors can provide their muscle groups with the vitamins had to stay sturdy and bendy, reducing the hazard of cramps and extraordinary muscle-related troubles. The potassium content material fabric in watermelon is every one of a kind detail that makes it a splendid fruit for stopping leg cramps. Potassium is an electrolyte that permits adjust fluid stability and muscle characteristic. Low potassium stages are often associated with muscle cramps, and watermelon can assist top off this crucial mineral. The potassium in watermelon works collectively with magnesium and sodium to keep proper electrolyte stages, making sure that muscle tissues can settlement and loosen up effects without cramping. Cherries aren't only scrumptious, however, additionally full of health blessings, specifically near decreasing inflammation and selling muscle recovery. One of the most superb factors of cherries is their high awareness of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants, which have anti-inflammatory houses. Infection plays key feature in muscle ache and cramps, particularly after bodily hobby. Persistent infection can cause muscle stiffness and fatigue, making it more hard for seniors to live lively. Similarly to their anti-inflammatory advantages, cherries include compounds which could aid in ache consolation. Tart cherries, especially, are seen for their capacity to lessen muscle pain and pain after workout. Studies have tested that cherry juice or cherries consumed after bodily hobby can appreciably reduce muscle pain and stiffness. This is because of the immoderate degrees of anthocyanins in cherries, which reduce oxidative pressure and contamination in muscular tissues. For seniors who enjoy muscle cramps after taking walks, workout, or challenge one of a type activities, cherries can provide a natural and effective approach to relieve pain and boost up healing. Cherries also are an outstanding deliverer of melatonin, a hormone that permits adjust sleep cycles. High-quality sleep is essential for muscle recovery and restore, and insufficient sleep can bring about advanced muscle anxiety and cramps. Via eating cherries or eating tart cherry juice earlier than bedtime, seniors can enhance their sleep quality and provide their muscle companies the time they need to get better. Absolute restful sleep promotes the restore of muscle fibers and decreases the probability of cramps within the direction of the nighttime, a commonplace time for seniors to enjoy leg cramps. Moreover, cherries are wealthy in weight loss Plan C, which plays a crucial function in muscle health through assisting collagen production. Collagen is the protein responsible for the power and elasticity of muscle corporations, tendons, and ligaments. As we age, collagen manufacturing naturally decreases, making muscles greater vulnerable to stress and harm. With the useful resource of which includes cherries to their food regimen, Seniors can help collagen synthesis, helping their muscular tissues stay sturdy, flexible, and less susceptible to cramping. Papayas are tropical end result that are not simplest delicious, but additionally provide powerful benefits for muscle health, specifically via their precise enzymatic content material. One of the standout enzymes located in papayas is pupin, which enables damaged-down proteins and aids in digestion. This enzyme is especially useful for seniors who might also revel in digestive troubles that contribute to belly anxiety and soreness. Each of that may boom the risk of muscle cramps. By way of the use of enhancing digestion, pupin reduces bloating and constipation, assisting to relieve belly pressure that might result in muscle spasms. Similarly to its digestive blessings, papaya is wealthy in vitamin C. This is crucial for the repair and upkeep of muscle mass. Eating regimen C supports the synthesis of collagen, the structural protein that preserve the integrity of muscle mass and connective tissues. As we age, our bodies produce much less collagen. Number 1 to weaken muscle corporations and in multiplied danger of harm. Ingesting papaya frequently can enhance collagen production, making sure that muscular tissues continue to be strong, elastic, and less vulnerable to cramping. Papayas also are a fantastic deliverer of antioxidants, which help lessen oxidative strain in the frame. Oxidative strain takes place at the same time as unfastened radicals, unstable molecules that harm cells, building up within the body. This damage can purpose muscle fatigue, pain, and an increased threat of cramps. The antioxidants in papayas help neutralize unfastened radicals, reducing infection and defensive muscle mass from damage, with the useful resource of which encompass papayas of their weight loss plan. Seniors can defend their muscular tissues from oxidative damage and simple muscle health. Furthermore, papayas encompass potassium and magnesium, each of which can be essential for preserving proper muscle feature. Potassium allows regulate muscle contractions, even as magnesium helps muscle rest. Seniors are frequently at risk for deficiencies in both of those minerals that would reason extended muscle cramps and weak factor. Through ingesting papaya, seniors can help pinnacle off those critical minerals and maintain a wholesome stability of electrolytes, lowering the risk of muscle spasm. In the end, papayas are low in power and excessive in fiber, making them an outstanding preference for seniors who are trying to maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can locate extra stress on muscle tissue, developing the danger of cramping and discomfort. The fiber in papayas additionally promotes digestive fitness and lets in regulate blood sugar tiers, each of which might be essential for preventing cramps and preserving famous muscle function. Leg cramps are a commonplace and frequently painful hassle for seniors. However, they do not want to be an ordinary part of growing old. With the aid of the use of incorporating prevent end result into their food regimen, seniors can toughen their muscle organizations, reduce contamination, and enhance ordinary muscle characteristic, making it easier to stay energetic and keep away from ate. Each of those stop-quit result offers particular blessings, from potassium and magnesium to antioxidants and nutrients, all of which paintings together to manual muscle feature, lessen irritation, and maintain cramps at bay. Through making those nutrient-dense culmination a regular part of their healthy diet weight reduction plan, seniors can experience more potent, more healthy muscle businesses, higher flow into, advanced hydration, and decreased chance of muscle spasms. In the long run, this clean nutritional trade can cause a more energetic, pain-free way of life, permitting seniors to move with ease and enjoy their each-day sports activities.